I have hope to wait for the things for which I have particularly investing in and doing my hard work as well. I have patience to just get succeed in whatever thing I'll be trying to do. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Gunjan and you are watching Simply Enchantress. So this video is basically gonna be of patience and phobia, like as you read in my caption also. So basically why I have chosen this topic is because there are many times we face failures, we are under pressure, we are in depressed situations because of the things happening in our life, and at that time we actually needed these things. Why I'm actually posting it on my videos, because these are those things which actually help me to do whatever I want to do, or these things are actually I have also came across failures, and there are certain things which make yourself so motivated that you have to continue yourself doing hard work. So basically I think why patience is needed, because it is the only thing which makes you motivated and encourages you according to your work experience. So whatever you're trying to do, just try to do it several times. Even if you are not getting anything from that, just try it. Like, let's take an example of my channel only. I have thought of starting this channel, I would say 1.5 years ago, and I have started it now. This actually means that I would have started in 2017 and till 2018 it would have been much developed, but at that time I was not sure myself, or I was not basically assured of what things I should do, or what the videos were going to be about, what's my channel name. So there are basically things for which you have to take time, but just take time for that only, invest your time in that thing only. Don't get distracted on. Now things are like, whenever something wrong happens or something not good for me and I feel depressed, then after 5 minutes only I got to realize that this thing will gonna be superb in future if I try to make myself motivated and try to encourage myself to not fall on these small traps, because we are in a particular stage of our life where we got these things in many stages. So rather than taking depression or going through anything which is harsh for your life, we should start focusing on what we actually need from it. So basically in today's world, whatever you want in our life, whether that is something difficult or something easy, you always need patience in your life, because patience is the only thing which makes you settle down till the things you haven't achieved, and that is the only thing you can assure yourself that you will get it if you have patience in your life. So yeah, it automatically gets connected with these things. If we actually think about what's the opposite of patience, word patience, I obviously think it will be anger, because anger is the only thing which makes yourself take decisions wrongly, not wisely but wrongly, and it won't help you in the future as well. So make sure whenever you are angry, just try to calm yourself. You must have watched in many TV series or in movies where people are saying, just take a deep breath and blow down. This is basically one of the best mantra you can follow in your actual life. And there are so many things we can learn from movies, and one of these things is basically so important and it's so helpful in your life as well. So try to do it whenever you are angry. Don't take decisions at that time. I won't say this, or I am actually not a successful one, but I am a person which is mature enough to understand things, what is going to be and how to deal with them betterly, not with anger or something like that. We should have patience. Now second word which we are going to talking about is now there is not much difference between hope and patience, but a slight. difference between both of the words, and that is, so basically patience is needed at that time when we are going from our harsh situations, depressed, like I earlier also said. It is basically needed to cover yourself up and to make yourself bold. Hope is a thing which make you lead the path you always wanted to be in. एक ऐसी चीज़ जिससे आप पूरा भरोसा कर सकते हैं, लेकिन तभी जब आप पूरी मेहनत करें, you give your hard work that much of importance that you just got in that work to achieve it in every possible way. So this is the only difference between patience and hope, and we should have both of us in our life. This is that thing, whenever you are in depression or something harsh going on, or you are expecting something, you should have that. These are those things which reminds you of what you have done in your future past, and according to these things actually determines what your future is going to be, and it's totally dependent because you are going to work according to them. Patience is something I totally mean in my life, and I think YouTube is one of the best channels to just share your videos to your viewers, and which actually help them. So I guess it helps you. If you have any doubts, any questions regarding these words or how I deal with it, you can just ask me in the comment sections. I have shared with you enough of my experience. Thank you so much for watching this video, and give it a like and a dislike if you didn't like this video. Not if you like this video, then also you are disliking it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. That is one of the important things you should do. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, that red button. Thank you so much.